Hey, I haven't done a video in a while. I don't know if I told it. I don't remember if I did a video and I said I wound up getting COVID, and when I got quarantined for like 10 days, basically I went back to work and I had to make up tons of work, so I haven't been able to do anything. But the good news is, I only got sick with COVID for one day, like, I don't know, 12 to 15 hours, and I was fine. But they wouldn't let me go back for like 6 more days, so what could you do? Anyways, I'm gonna make this, well, this was supposed to be like a Pokemon thing, but I've got so much stuff. It's like that one time when I said it's gonna be like 15 videos. This literally might take like 30 videos. I was thinking, like, I wouldn't be surprised if it took like 33, 36, 45 videos. I'm seriously, I'm not even joking. But, what was I gonna say? Well, I could always pause it. Now, oh, I know what I was gonna say. I was gonna do live videos. I haven't done live in a little while, maybe a couple of years, maybe a year or two. But because this is gonna take forever showing you what I got. But anyways, like I said, these guys wanted. A couple people were asking me about doing videos and then showing Pokemon stuff. So here it goes. I got stuff all the way around me. These things are selling for $50. People are taking them to card shows and selling them for $100. And they're selling out like, it's crazy. I got 3 of them in one spot. One place they said buy whatever you want, unlimited. Spent like $1,800 to one day, $1,200 another day. I went to another place the week after that. Another one, take anything you want, buy anything you want. I spent another $1,200. I think I spent like $4,800. It's ridiculous, but it's so lucrative. Just so you don't think I'm lying. There's another one. It's funny, they kept bagging them. They gave me 3 bags for 3. I was going to say just, I'll put them in the shopping cart. It's not really a big deal. What really kills me about that place is they had such good stuff. And I went early in the morning, like 11 o'clock in the morning. Well, I think a little earlier, maybe 10:30. And I just happened to get lucky. They just stocked it. Well, it was back stock. And then newer stuff too, but they were putting out back stock. And it kills me because they would only give me 2 things. And I didn't even get those the first time I went. I wound up picking 2020 Prism basketball blaster boxes or something. I was so angry that they wouldn't let me have anything else. So I said to the lady, do I get to go around in a circle like everyone else does? I said, I've never done it. I said, I should be allowed to do that. And she's like, no. 2 per day. You have to come back tomorrow. So I got pissed. It was the first time I ever got pissed. And I was like, went home, debated whether I was going to go back, go to a movie, or do this or do that. I said, you know what, screw that. So I waited till it got dark. It got dark 5, 6 o'clock, I forget. Went back. They said, oh, you could buy anything you want. I'm like, oh, yeah, well, now that the prisms are gone, Now that the now that the Prism's gone, now that the Select Basketball's gone, now I can buy anything. But to be honest, they had such good stuff there. I bought thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars worth of stuff. Ooh, oh. Alright, I'm just going to keep grabbing stuff and showing. Bowman Chrome. Oh, this is the new baseball. Mega Chrome bait. I bought tons of this. I think I bought like 12 boxes once. And then the next day I went back and bought 14 more. I probably have over 40 of these. There's another one. And another. And another. And in here, there's 4. I'm not taking them out because they're nestled in so perfectly. 4 Chronicle basketballs, brand new hanger boxes. And another one, and another one, and another one. Mm-hmm. Mm. Yeah, I'm curious now. I think I'm gonna count all the Bowmans. So that's 4 Bowman Chrome mega boxes. And they're cheap too. They're only like 39 bucks. If you see them, buy them. They're not 80 like Bowman Platinum. They're not 65 or 50 or 57 like Chrome and stuff. Here's another one. Okay. 2 more Chronicles. Chronicle hangers. Optic baseball. Actually, 3 optic baseballs I'm not taking out of the box. So, I know I didn't get all the optic baseballs that I wanted. I was buying stuff and I maxed out one of my cards. And I was like, I think I should quit for today. And I left a couple of them. What is that? Oh, this is Barnes and Noble. This is the second day. I went back the next day. I got Leatherface. I know I bought 3 of them. Gave one to my buddy. I think I still have this one and another. Leatherface. I have 2 of these. I'm not bringing the other one out. I'm sick and tired of going in and out, making a lot of noise, and then. Come on. There's actually Gizmos. I saw them up at Hot Topic. They were selling them for like $12.99 or something, or $12.50. But I did want to get them. All right, what's this? Hockey Fat Pack. Two Evolving Sky. Looking at Barnes & Noble, it's the cheapest anywhere. Plus you get that 10% discount too. Another Hockey Fat Pack. And, first time I've seen these in a really long time retail store. They must have found them in a warehouse somewhere. Oh no, never mind. These are the update series. I didn't realize it. I thought it was series 2. Alright, so that's good enough for that. Still got 6 minutes left. Alright, we're at there we go. By the way, there's 26 of these boxes. We're just at one store. And then I got a whole bunch of them at another store. And I got a whole bunch of them at another store. I got so many, it's ridiculous. I'm trying to think. Because I bought a whole crap load of these too. Chronicles, Megabox. Megabox exclusive playoff base cards. I don't know what the playoff base cards look like, but alright. Here's another one of those. And then, oh, I was going to say 4 more, but 3 more of these. Not taking them out. They're only 21 bucks. These blasters are probably, I think they're the best ones for your money. You get 7 packs, 1 extra pack, get over 30 cards, and you get those, what are they called? Those platinum exclusives or whatever they're called. 4 exclusive ice foil parallel cards. So, I think it's good. I could be wrong, but someone said, oh, they're overproducing all this stuff. I said, yeah, but Select maybe, or Chronicles maybe, I don't know. Maybe even Bowman Chrome, maybe, I don't know. But I said, they're not overproducing Elite. They're not overproducing Optic. They're not, I don't think they're overproducing Prism. I'm not sure, but I don't think so. I could be wrong with that. But Optic, Elite, a couple of the fancier ones, Bowman Platinum, I don't think they're overproducing them either. So Select, after what they did with the 2020 football, I don't trust them. And Select, I've been buying for decades. So, like when it first came out. As a matter of fact, I got a 13-14 inaugural hockey box sitting right over there. But I'm not getting it. Crap. Okay, good. Oh, I have a whole bunch of them there and a whole bunch of them there. I got a whole bunch of them right here on the couch. So, alright. 2 more of them in this bag. And 2 more of these in this bag. Chronicle Megas. Sweet. I know the Prism football drafts sort of flopped, and the Chronicles football draft sort of flopped, but basketball's so hot, and there's so few teams, and there's so many good players. You get so many good players. I mean, I know Chronicles sort of, maybe 34, 64, 69 different parallel cards of like one-of-ones of Joe Burrow and stuff like that, and they way overproduced. But I don't know if you could really overproduce the Chronicles basketball. Maybe you could. Wouldn't be surprised. Oh, this sucks. I might have to start a new video. One place I went to, the lady kept like bagging like 1 or 2 of these things, and then she would tie it up. So it's going to be a pain in the ass. There's 2 of them in here. In case you don't believe me. Yeah, these Bowman Chromes look sweet. I should do a break with them. Alright. Yeah, it's crazy. It was bad enough when she was doing it with 2 boxes. She actually did it a bunch of times with 1 box too. You get like 4 or 5 boxes of this. Oh, this one's 1 box of Optic baseball, 1 box of Bowman Chrome baseball, Bowman Chrome baseball mega box. It's crazy too, because this is like 35,